Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Einat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today we are starting the very popular 12 cards of Christmas series. So this is our number one card, an accordion double gatefold card. So like always, you have the measurements and the cutting guide in the description. There's a link there that you can go and download all the instructions and have all the measurements and then follow along with the video. So we're going to start with scoring our two pieces at 2 1/4, 4, and 6 1/4. So we're going to do that on both of our pieces. And again, you can download the instructions and the cutting guide. There is a link in the description under the video. So you'll have everything that you need to join the series and create all 12 cards. This is a very, very popular series. I do it every year and I love it. So this is our number one card. So 2 1/4, 4, and 6 1/4. And then we're going to fold it like so. Very easy. We're going to start with the left side. You see the panel on the left is slightly bigger, so we're going to start with this first fold line and then go to the right. So the first one is a mountain fold, and I always like to use a bone folder to burnish all my folds. Next is a valley fold, and then another valley fold. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other piece, a mountain, and then a valley and another valley. You can of course I use always a base, like a solid color cardstock, but you can always use a patterned cardstock, double-sided cardstock, whatever you have in your stash to make these cards. Okay, so now we have both of them. And in order to create the double gatefold, we are going to take one piece and rotate it 180 degrees like this. So they will be a mirror of each other. So now we need to align them, and this panel comes in the front, and that will basically be our card. And we need to align it in the center between the two folds like this, so it will be able to open and close freely. So apply glue to those two tabs or two panels that are arranged together, and I like to, you can arrange them together very closely together and then attach this piece, but I like to put glue on one side, attach the piece, the square, and then apply glue on the other side and attach it to the next one. So this makes it more accurate and easier for me. And of course, I always use liquid glue because that allows me to wiggle every piece that I need to where it should be and move it slightly if I need to. I find it very hard to do it with tape or double-sided tape or whatever, so that's why I like to use liquid glue. So now you can see how it works. You can close it in the front or you can close it in the back. That is completely up to you. Both ways will work. And now comes the fun part of adding all our pattern papers and decorating. So I've cut them all, and I'm going to start with the ones on the edge, so on the left edge and the right edge. Now here is the part where you can go crazy with patterns and colors and whatever your taste is, whatever you have in your stash. And of course all these cards can go, can be adapted to any other holiday or occasion or whatever purpose you want to make this card. Then I'm going to add the other 2 panels. And again, you have all the measurements that you need in the link in the description under the video. There's a guide that you can go ahead and download. And this is the second panel. And I like to use collections, like a paper collection, because then all the papers match. Then I don't have to think about it. I just grab some pieces from the paper collection and then they match. So that's easiest for me. And I'm going to put this here because I didn't have a big piece to cover the entire panel. So I'm going to use 2 pieces and combine them together. This is a great way to maximize your supplies and use all your leftovers and not throw these pieces away. Since we're going to put something on it, it doesn't really matter that the pattern will not fit exactly. So I think that will turn out pretty well. At least to show you the card, you will decide. You see, now you don't even know that there are 2 pieces there. And you can write your message in the front, you can write it in the back. Now those 2 panels behind the panel there are optional if you want to cover them or not, and it also depends if you're using solid color cardstock, white cardstock that you want to cover or not. I did give you the measurements. I decided after looking at the card that I want to cover it, so I did. But again, it's up to you. And of course, another option you have always, if the card is too bulky or doesn't close properly, you can always make a belly band for the card if you want. I didn't. Of course, it will fit in an envelope and it will look great standing, presented on a shelf, mantelpiece, wherever. So I really hope you like our first card and that you will join the series and make all the cards in the 12 Cards of Christmas 2025 series. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload the new videos. There are going to be about 2 of them a week in this series. Like I said, you can close it in the front or in the back. It's completely up to you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.